Hey Lavish fam, welcome back to another vlog. Today is Wednesday. It's Wednesday, the end of the month. It's August 31st, and I just came back from a client's house as well as picking up, best friend from daycare, and I had a package. So I kind of peeked in the box because I wanted to make sure it was what I thought it was. And I didn't want to waste any time with letting it sit around, So I wanted to do an unboxing with y'all, something. This is different. Usually I open stuff like in the middle of a vlog or whatever, whenever it comes, but I came home and it was already here. So we're going to just get right into this vlog and this unboxing. So y'all want to know what's in the box, don't y'all? Okay, so a company reached out to me and wanted to gift me a few things. So, of course, I'm like, sure, because your girl is out. Yes, best friend? Huh? Do I see Sonic? Yeah, I see him. What he doing? He's singing. I can't see nothing, y'all. This boy all the way upstairs and I'm downstairs in the office. But he's like, you see that? I'm like, what are you doing? You see Sonic? So I just go right on along with it, because that's what you do is, you hype them up. But anyway, let's get right on back into this vlog, this unboxing here, y'all. So let's take it out. Y'all see the green? Y'all see the green? Bam. It is 2 items. And the name of the company is Tide Lock. They are a China-based company, and they do one-to-one replicas of, fashion stuff. So they have like bags, shoes. I think they have some clothes too, but baby, I'm tearing off the side of it. Okay, but anyway, so they offered me 2 items. And I was like, okay. So, just to kind of review and see, if I like it. So, your girl loves to shop, and I love me some clothes, and I love me some purses, and I love me some shoes. I've never really had replicas, but baby, I'm here for it. I'm here for it. So, this is the shoes. As you see, I'm vlogging y'all on my phone versus my camera because I'm lazy and it's upstairs, and it's easier to vlog on my freaking phone sometimes than my camera. So, especially if it's a short vlog. So, this is the shoes. Okay. Uh-oh. I opened it up. It comes with a little bag here. Says Gucci, and I got some slides, y'all. I got some Gucci slides. Okay, they got the Gucci on the side. They feel pretty comfortable. That's the little design. And I got big feet, so this is a US 10 in women and the US 9 in men. So that's it. And then here's the other one. I'm gonna try these on in just a second. Matter of fact, let me do that because, baby, that's the true test to see if they actually fit. So, still got on my work clothes, y'all. I had a client today. Okay, so take off my little clothes, my little nursing shoes. It fit. Let me show y'all. Hold, please. Yeah, they fit, boo. I'm here for it. I like these. These will be in my suitcase when I go on this cruise in another week. Yes, I'm here for it, here for it. Okay, so this is a 10 out of 10, baby. These are comfortable, too. They're comfortable. Okay. And I have wide feet. So if y'all saw, if y'all can tell, you know, don't be talking about my toes. I know I need a pedicure and all, but you know, baby, this is a 10 out of 10. This is a go. Cause y'all know my last situation, the shoes were not, they did not fit me. This is a 10 out of 10. Well, they are a 10 because that's the size I wear. But yes, and they're not, I got plenty of room in here and everything. So that's the first box. Okay. So these are my Gucci slides. And then I have this other Gucci box. I don't own any Gucci, so as you can tell, I'm excited. All right. Okay, it comes like this. Okay. And as you can see, it also comes with a little bag, like a gift bag. And then this is it. Okay. And then it comes in another plastic bag like this. Comes in a protective bag. These are pretty awesome, you know, a dust bag. That's what these are, dust bags. And it's all nice and wrapped and protected. And this company was so great to work with. Like, literally, they sent me, like, they kept up with everything. They let me know, like, what stage we were in every step of the way. And then once the purse was, like, ready, they sent me actual, like, multiple pictures of it. And they said, yes? What are you doing? Oh, okay. He's singing? Yeah. Wow, okay. I'm gonna grab my duty. So anyway, they also sent me multiple like pictures of the actual purse and asked me, you know, was it to my liking? Hold on a minute. And I was like, oh my goodness, yes. They even sent me pictures of the slides, and then once it shipped, they once again messaged me and said, here's the shipping information. You should receive it on this day. And then once it actually hit the United States, they sent me another update and said, it's in the United States, so you definitely should have it by this date. I was very impressed because I've never had a company that be like, okay, here's the steps. And he said they do it for all their customers. So not just someone that they're collabing with, they do it. He said, this is the customer service they give all the time. Impressive. Okay. Y'all probably like, girl, stop talking and let me see that purse. Here it is. Here it is, boo. Here it is. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This is cute. Okay. Open it up. They got this sucker protected well, honey. Oh my goodness. So that's the inside. It smells like leather too. It feels good. Okay. And then that, what is that? Just a little care thing or whatever. Gucci care. The control number and all that type of stuff. In this little pocket. Okay. Put that back in there. Let's put that back in there. They even have like plastic on the handle and on here to keep it from getting scratched up. Okay. Okay, let's see here. Let's see here. Can y'all tell I'm excited? Alrighty. They have this stuff protected so well. Okay. So you can either wear it like this. Can y'all see? Y'all see? Or if you want, you can wear it like this. I love this. I love this. So thank you, Tide Lock. I will be linking them down below if you guys are interested. Yeah, I will definitely do so. Thank you so much for the collab. I love both pieces, and I cannot wait to take those slides on my cruise in a week and a half. And I will be definitely sporting this as well. All right, guys. That's it. Thank you for watching my short vlog here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.